Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and for today I have somewhat of a different video than what you're used to seeing from me. I haven't posted in a while, and that is just because on the 23rd of May my second boy was born, and life's been really busy with a 1.5-year-old and a newborn. So yeah, that is why I just wanted to give you a little update, because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. I have had a lot of comments asking if I actually just randomly quit and if I will ever come back, or if I'm just stopping nail art videos and nail polish review videos altogether. A lot of speculations have been going on, even though I have posted like multiple times on my community page as well as on my Instagram that I'm not quitting. I'm just on maternity leave at the moment, and life is just really busy, as you can imagine, with two young boys like around in the house. So yeah, my maternity leave has been really chaotic. Of course, it started with the car accident on the 9th of April. We've actually been in the hospital for a little longer than I wanted after giving birth of Apollo. And then when he was only 2 weeks old, we were back in the hospital again for a full week because my boy had really bad RSV, I think it was, or at least that was what the doctors thought it was. So yeah, he had trouble breathing, and it was so chaotic. But yeah, that all happened. My little boy is a little over 7 weeks old already, and he's doing so well. He's gaining a lot of weight. He was actually really small at birth, even though I gave birth at 38 weeks and 2 days. But yeah, he was actually smaller than I was even at birth, and I was already quite small. And yeah, then again, he definitely looks a lot like me as a baby, which is really cute to see, and I really love it because Aeon looks a lot like my husband. So now we have each our own. So yeah, that's actually quite fun to see, and I'm really curious to see if he will continue looking like me or if it's going to become more of a mixture of the both of us when he grows older. But yeah, that all said and put aside, oh, I actually have Apollo in my arms right now, so if you hear like little baby squeaks and noises, you know that is Apollo. But yeah, there's been a lot of questioning whether or not I will return to YouTube doing full-length videos, because I haven't actually stopped sharing reel videos or reels and shorts and stuff like that. So I'm really hoping to get back into doing full-length videos again, just because I really miss doing it, and of course my love for nail polish and nail art and taking care of my nails hasn't vanished. I just have to get back into my schwung again, and with Aeon just being on his own, it was a lot easier for me to just record videos while he was sleeping, but now my two babies have two different like sleeping and awake schedules, so yeah, it's a little bit difficult for me to record right now. And I have also gotten my hands on a couple of new Holotaco collections as well, which I really want to do swatch videos of. But then again, doing swatch videos, they take up quite a bit of time. So doing a regular video of like 10 minutes on YouTube, it actually takes like 40 minutes or something to record. And I just don't have that much time like in one sitting. So if I am going to do new full-length videos, I have to record them in like 2 or 3 sessions, because there will always be a baby awake. And even though Aeon already sleeps through the night since he was 8 months old, like I'm so blessed with that. I've heard so many different stories from other parents with young kids that their children didn't even sleep through the night when they were like already 1.5 years old. So yeah, I really can't complain. But it's just quite difficult for me to just sit down and record. in one go at least. And then again, at the end of the day, especially if I had both of my babies by myself the entire day, like starting the mornings at 6:30 or 7 a.m. with two babies, and then my day ends, I think, around like 9 p.m. So yeah, that are quite long days. I have to say, life is way more busy being at home right now compared to when I'm working. But yeah, that's just how it is, as a mom. And my kids go, like, they're like my number one priority. So yeah, recording kind of like gets shoved in the back seat, if you know what I mean. I do really miss it. I'm already seeing my camera gear like collecting dust and everything, and it kind of breaks my heart because doing videos, it not only is like another source of income for me, even though it's not that much. I really do like recording and editing and stuff like that. And that is also the reason why I decided, when I just had like 15 minutes to myself outside recording some of my beautiful trees and plants and flowers, and just do this video just to explain to you guys, like, hi, I'm still alive. This is not goodbye. I'm just a full-time mom at the moment, and I also have to get back to my regular job starting September 1st again. And to be honest, I'm not looking forward to that. I just really like being at home and being a mom, but bills have to get paid. And yeah, that's the same thing goes for YouTube videos. They do give me an extra like source of income, even though it's just like change money. It's not that much. It's not like I can quit my daytime job and just do this full time. It's just a hobby which earns me a little bit of money. It actually just makes sure that I can sustain my YouTube channel, because the money that I earn with my YouTube, I actually use to buy new nail polishes and nail art items from, so I can actually do new videos for you guys. So yeah, that is pretty much what I wanted to share. And yeah, I do have a new Holotako collection sitting on my desk for a couple of weeks already. I think that was the one with the 7 super glittery, like game inspired kind of polishes. I've got no idea what that one was called exactly, but I really hope to do at least a full swatch video of that one. And I just recently bought, like yesterday, I'm recording this on the 13th of July. Yesterday I also bought the new limited edition collection. I think it's like the 6-year anniversary collection. I wasn't like super enthusiastic or excited about those colors. Like the collection itself, it didn't really draw me in or anything, but I tend to like the polishes on their own more than what they are in the entire collection, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really hope to get back into recording soon, once everything will like fall into place a little bit more. I'm still kind of like balancing both schedules of my boys, and even though it goes quite well already, it's still like, at the end of the day, I'm just really tired, because I don't only have the care of my 2 boys, I have to take care of the household. I have to do like everything around the house. So yeah, it's quite a lot. But if I had the choice, I would definitely be a stay-at-home mom. Like, I feel like I was made for this. And yeah, just to finish off this video, it's kind of random. I'm not quite sure when I will be recording or posting again, but I will be doing shorts videos and reels on my Instagram, and I am sharing a lot more in my Instagram stories as well, so go ahead and follow me there if you're interested. I post like daily stuff there, like random stuff, but also nail polish stuff. So yeah, I really don't know when I will be fully back again, but at least I'm posting once a week, like a shorts video or anything like that. And most of them are nail polish and nail art related. So yeah, I don't really know what else to mention. Other than that, I'm really grateful for you guys, for all 46,000 of you. Like, it's crazy. I never imagined when I started doing my nail art videos that there would be so many people just subscribed and watching me. That's insane. Like, seriously, I'm just a girl from the Netherlands, and you know, I don't know, I'm just sharing whatever I like. And I just love that you guys interact so much and watch my videos. And I really want to thank you so much for that and being a part of my little nail art family here at YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and listening to my story. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.